So hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Riya Chauhan and today I will prepare veg sandwiches. So firstly we take a bowl and cut some veggies like onion, tomato and capsicum, and whatever you want you can add in it. Then we add some sauces like tomato sauce, chili sauce, and chili flakes, mayonnaise, and soya sauce. Whatever you want, you can add sauces, and then mix it well. And take toaster and take some pieces of bread and fill it. Then put on toaster. Let the sandwiches cook for some while, and then you can serve it with the sauces in a beautiful crockery. Thank you so much everyone. You can have it. If you like the sandwiches, so please comment and have it. Thank you so much.